If you want to change sound EQ on OPPO Reno 15, then what you can do is you can, for example, try to use the music app, which is a pre-installed app on your phone. And in this case, if we go to the My Music section over here, if you tap on these two sliders, then apparently you can turn on the equalizer. You can turn it on over here, and you can adjust the EQ over here. You can also find a couple of different presets, and you also have the bass booster. However, I honestly cannot tell if it makes any difference or not, if it truly works. Perhaps it works just for this music app itself, not globally on your phone. So in case you feel like it's not working properly as well, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store instead, and we can download a third-party app that is gonna work instead. Usually you can type something like Equalizer over here, just like that, and then we can try to use any of these apps that we have in here. Of course, feel free to try any of these apps. I'm not really forcing you to use any of them, just try to pick your favorite one. You can of course try all of them and just decide which one works the best for you. Now in this case I'm gonna use this app over here, and if we open it, we can see some ads of course, or some stuff that we probably want to skip. And then we have the our equalizer, which we can turn on. And in order to turn it on, we need to grant permission to notifications. And there we go, now it is supposed to work. We can also use many different presets in here as well. We have the bass boost, loudness, audio balance, and virtualizer. There are also some pro options in here as well, but we can use the app for free as well. And here we also have some settings, excuse me, and you might want to check them out in case you want to adjust something specifically. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.